Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all, let's tap on the first option and tap on off. And then turn off the automatic time zone. And here the location. Now we can manually change the date. Just tap on it and choose it from the calendar. For example, this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Right here, tap on OK. We can select the time zone, also tap on the region, and here we've got all available regions from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it, it will be immediately applied. And we can also decide what kind of clock format we want to use. Currently we've got the 24-hour format. We can set 12-hour one just by turning off this option. So basically this is the whole customization, manual customization of date and time. We can also of course come back to all previous settings just by using this switcher, and set the time, network provided time or GPS provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.